Alright, we're going to do some milling of the counterbores, so we're going to click the circular milling toolbar. That's second from the right. Click that tool. And now we're going to create a new pattern. So I'm going to click on no point. We could choose the machining pattern 1 or 2, which was based off of our spot and our drilling, but we're going to create a new one because we want it to accept our default diameter. So we click in the empty space here after we've selected our counter bores, and that'll bring up our window. And now we want to change our jump distance to 0.1 inch. So we go down to the edit parameters window and enter that into the text box. Now we want to click on the top sensitive icon. Actually, look at the diameter. It did accept our default diameter. So now we want to click on the bottom sensitive icon, and we want to click the bottom plane of the counter bore. Now we want to select the top surface of our housing, and I'm going to open that window again. So I'm going to double click, and on the window I'm going to click the top plane, and then I'm going to click on the top surface of the housing 1, and now all I need to do is select OK on the face selection toolbar, and now we have a green top surface sensitive icon. If we go to our strategy tab, we want to make sure that these default values are set. You should have the same default values, so you shouldn't have to change anything. And with the step over, we do want the distance between the paths to be 0.5 inches. So we do need to change that. So verify that. And the number of paths, we only want 1. And with the tool, I'm going to rename the toolbar. And I'm going to click the More button. And I'm going to change the nominal diameter to 0.5 inches. And the corner radius, I do not want a corner radius because it is a counter bore. And the body diameter I want to be 0.5 inches. Here we'll click the Feeds tab and just enter some appropriate values for that. And with the macros, you don't have to really do anything with the macros. It already sets that for you. I'm going to hit the rewind button, and I'm going to hit the play button, and that happened really fast. So I wasn't able to really verify what it has done. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to go back and just verify everything, and I'm going to make sure that I hit the OK button so that it accepts our all of our parameters that we have entered so far. That'll bring up, double clicking on the tool, tool change 4 will bring this up. So now I rewind it and play it, and notice that it does go fast, and with the video settings you might not see it all. Now I'm going to hit the video, and notice it's going to play all the tool changes of the manufacturing program, and notice that it did our counter bores the last.